Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just wanted to get on here really quick just to give you the rundown behind these DIY braids. One, it was time for me to do a protective style because I haven't done one in a while. I've been doing my wash and goes consistently, trying to restore my hair, but your hair needs a break even if you're a natural girl, even if you just do a wash and go all the time. You still have to do a protective style, whether it's braids or if you know how to install a lace front or you get that lace front installed. You need to give your hair a break to just breathe. Just make sure that you moisturize your hair really good. Keep it oiled. Give a rundown. This brand of hair here, I got it from the Dollar General store. Opening it, I was very pleased with how it looked. It's 52 inches in length. And comparing it to the normal brand that I like to use from my local beauty supply store, I was like, okay, it's not bad. But I used that braiding hair in the back just because it was a brand that I wasn't too familiar with, just to make sure that the texture and, the consistency and everything turned out the way that I like with my normal braiding hair, which is the Sassy. I say that overall, it is a good pack of hair to only be 99 cents from the Dollar General store. And the only thing that I had to do, because initially it tangled a lot when braiding it, it was hard to keep it separated, and I had to keep taking my brush and detangling it as I was braiding, and that's a lot of extra work when you're doing something yourself. So what I started doing was taking my Vanilla Rose moisturizing cream and just adding that to the braiding hair, which you will see me demonstrate in the tutorial. What that helped to do was stop getting tangled on me, which was a plus. Also, what I noticed is that after I finished braiding my hair, because I ended up just putting that on all the braids. I mean, you can never have enough moisturizer in your hair. My braids, they look shiny, so soft. And also, I noticed that I did not have a lot of flyaways. So, by moisturizing your braiding hair, it definitely eliminates any flyaways that you would have to normally go through and trim off. So that is something that I would recommend if you have the time to do it. It doesn't take long. Just throw it in because you're going through and you're pretty much probably stretching your hair. Just add that moisturizer as you do that, and it'll work wonders. This time around with my braids is I did an overnight deep conditioning mask using Aiko conditioning cream and mask. I didn't oversaturate my hair like I would normally do when I do a deep conditioning where I let it sit on for 30 minutes. I just pretty much put enough on to coat my hair, kind of like if I was just doing a wash and go. And then I put my hair in a ponytail, twisted it up and just wrapped it around. And that's how I let my hair air dry well over 24 hours. This is because my hair is so fine. When I take that ponytail out, my top is so silky and straight, and then the ends will just be kind of curly and frizzy, and I just comb that out. And then if I need to throw the blow dryer on there, I can put it on the low setting and just get out any additional tangles, because your hair doesn't necessarily have to be super straight when braiding it. You just want to make sure that it's not tangled. So that was what I accomplished with that. But my hair, and you could see in the video, it was like so soft and silky. I was having a hard time with that too because the braiding hair just kept sliding, but it worked out. I love the way they turned out. And you will see at the end of this video too was a photo that I saw of her that I wanted to recreate. These are kind of my renditions of my Halloween looks because I don't really know how to do a lot. But I also added like some fake tattoos to get myself a sleeve. Not as many because I don't want to have to get all that off. But it was fun recreating that look, and I definitely hope that you like it. So I'm going to go ahead and stop running my mouth. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. But first, if you are here and you're watching my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to share. So thank you so much again for rocking with me, and as always, thanks for watching. my water, thankfully. Up 7 cups. And okay, let's not be fooled. Let's not be fooled. Okay, so that is like good. All right, and then I have, don't worry about my setup. I'm braiding my hair right now, so it's a mess. But this is PVC pipe, and I kind of made like a bar for my hair. And you'll see how that goes. And then, of course, you need some scissors. So, yes. But, yes, I got these from the Dollar General. I think $1 or $2. And, again, this is what it looks like when it comes out. It looks weird because it's folded, just like the regular. And it definitely looks like it is a go. I don't see any difference in the quality. So, let's get into braiding hair that I got from the Dollar General. And it's already stretched, so I didn't have to do anything to that, and I love that. For it to only be $1, I think is what I paid for it. This is the Sassy Kanekalon hair. It doesn't come stretched. It comes with the blunt end, so I've kind of stretched it out as I went through. I still have these pieces to kind of stretch out some more, and then this is the second Sassy pack that I did stretch out, and I actually brushed that one out using my Denman brush. So I'll also do that to that section as well. Look at me about to tear something up. But as you can see, I also go through and I clip the hairs just to keep it organized. When you're doing your own hair, you find the rest of my clips. So I had to use bobby pins. So I just tacked it there. And like you said, that's just when you go to get it. It's not stuck together. You're not pulling pieces that you don't need. And then plus, because I'm doing my own braids and working with the braiding hair that I have on hands, I'm kind of mixing some colors. My color is 1 now because I just did a fresh black dye. Normally my color is 1B, so it's like a mixture. This is 1, this is 1B. So I'm going to use these ones more towards the front of my hair, and then I'll be using those ones in the back. Plus, like I said, this is a braiding hair I never used before, so I'd rather have what I'm used to and how I know the texture looks in front. I am going to get started.